guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys a few super cute kurti sets, and these sets don't have dupattas, so there is just the kurti and the pants, the trousers. So it's like a quad set, but traditional quad set that I really love. I know there are a lot of people who cannot deal with dupattas if their life depended on it, and I'm not one of them. I love dupattas, but I can do with a few sets that don't have dupattas, because like if you are going to be traveling or something, you can do without dupatta, because I know that my mother, for instance, she does not like dupattas. So if you are one of them, this is the video for you. They are all under 2000 rupees. They are all super cute, very adorable, perfect for the festive season. So you can get these right now, and they are very comfortable. So if that is something that interests you, without wasting any further time, let's just get into the video. But before we do that, I have to remind you guys to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed this particular video, and if you like my videos in general, consider subscribing to my channel. So yeah, let's get into the video now. Starting off with this super cute green printed quad kurti set. This one is a bit overpriced. I mean, we are only getting a kurti and a pair of trousers, and it's priced at 1600. If we were getting a dupatta along with the kurti and the trousers, then the price would be worth it. This is very comfortable, airy and breathable, not the slightly itchy. It's made up of cotton. I got this in a size medium and it fits me perfectly, just a tad bit loose, just how I like it. I love the golden gota details it has around the neck and on the sleeves. That just adds so much to the kurti set. I absolutely love the color scheme and print of the kurti set as well. The trousers have a flat waist in the front, and on the back it has elastic. It also has a tie-up like this. The trousers and the kurti is quite long. It will look much better on a taller girl, even though I really like how it looks on me as well. This kurti is perfect for the festive season. If you are someone who loves dupattas, you could just add. The trousers are palazzo trousers and they have the same print as the kurti, a gold tone dupatta. This is also perfect for everyday wear. The kurti sets I'm going to be showing you guys today are mostly for girls who are not into very heavy Indian traditional sets. At the price, it's really good. Next up is a sleeveless printed kurti set. This kurti set is very adorable. I really love the print and the color scheme. There is a little bit of a lace work around the sleeves and the neck, which I really like. It's made up of cotton and it's very comfortable, airy and breathable, not a little bit itchy at all. I got this one in a size medium as well, and it fits me perfectly, just a tad bit loose, just like how I like it. I don't like my Indian wear to fit me skinny, skin tight. There are so many different ways you can style this set. I have posted one of those ways on my Instagram and you guys should check it out. The waist of the trousers is elastic all around with the tie-up on the front. The length of the trousers and the length of the kurti is perfect. It's not too long. It will be perfect on a tall girl as well. It's not gonna look too short. These trousers are palazzo trousers and they have the same print as the kurti. And the kurti is a A-line side slit kurti. This is another kurti perfect for people who don't want to wear heavier kurti sets. It's perfect for the festive season and it's also great for daily wear. You can wear minimal jewelry with it on a daily basis and just heavier jewelry for festive seasons, and it'll be perfect. Next up is this sleeveless Sharara kurti set. I absolutely adore this one. The kurti is so cute. You can also wear it just as a dress if you skip the trousers. This is made up of viscose and it is very soft, very comfortable on the skin. It's very airy and breathable, not itchy at all. It's a short frock type kurti that looks very adorable. I love the floral print it has. It also has short detailing on its two sides. The sleeves, however, are not adjustable. The waist of the trouser has a straight band on the front and elastic on the back. However, I have to fold the trousers 2 times for this sharara to fit me well. Even then, it's very long. This sharara is way too long for short girls like me. If you are a taller girl, this will fit you better. But if you really want it, you can just fold its waist 2 or 3 times and it will fit you. The sharara is really adorable. I love the stitch and the structure of it. I really like its print as well. The color is so adorable. I love this sage green color. I got this in a size medium and it fits me perfectly, just a little bit loose. At the price, it's really good. Next up is another really beautiful kurti set. I love this kurti so much. Look at how flowy it is. I absolutely love how flowy its structure is for how affordable the kurti set is. I love its sleeves. It has full blown sleeves that look super adorable. The kurti is below the knees on me. It will probably be a little higher up on you if you are taller. The waist of the trousers is a straight band and the back has elastic. There are no pockets at all in it. I love the print. The orange peach color looks so adorable. The sleeves also comes with a button so you can open it if you're too hot and let air in. This one is made up of cotton as well, but it is a little thicker material. It will be perfect for the winters. It will keep the chill away. It is not uncomfortable on the skin, but it's not the most softest material either. But it's very airy and flowy and breathable. The trousers are cigarette pants with a little slit on the sides. I got this one in a size medium as well and it fits me perfectly. This is another co-ord set that can be styled for festive seasons and for daily wear depending upon how you accessorize it. At the price, it's really good. Next up is another kurti set that is a little bit too expensive for a kurti set that does not have a dupatta, so it's necessarily a co-ord set. If you look at it from far, it will look like a anarkali, but it's actually a kurti that has long thigh-high side slits. This is made up of cotton. It's very comfortable and very soft on the skin. It's very airy and breathable, not at all itchy. I love the color and the print. I don't have anything in this color. The bust has some sequin work in it that looks really cute, and also some buttons that are just for show. So the trousers has a flat band on the front and there's elastic on the back. There are no pockets in this one either. I got this one in a size medium as well and it fits me perfectly, just a little bit loose. This is another kurti set that can be styled up and down for daily wear or for festive wear depending upon how you accessorize it. The trousers are cigarette trousers and they have the same print as the kurti. And I think the design is quite unique. I've never worn something like this before. At the price, it's a really good set. Last but not the least is another kurti set. I really love the print and the color combo in this one. This is so feminine, so cute. This is another kurti set that can be styled up and down for festive wear or for daily purposes. This one is made up of cotton. It's very comfortable, airy and breathable, very soft on the skin, not itchy at all. The kurti is an anarkali kurti. The waist of the trousers on this one also has a flat band on the front and elastic on the back, and there are no pockets in here either. The print of the pants on this one is different from the print on the kurti, and I love the print on the trousers and on the kurti both. The kurti is very long. It will fit better on taller girls. The trousers are cigarette pants on this one as well, and it also has slits on the side. The only problem I have with this kurti is that somehow it is shapeless on the back and I don't really like how it looks. At the price range, it's a really good kurti set. So guys, that was it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching it and benefited from it. If you have any other video suggestion or request, comment that down below and I will definitely make a video on that. And I will see you guys in my next. Till then, take care. Bye bye.